Hey there guys, what's up and welcome to Finance Ninja. With the rise of internet survey sites as well as other market analysis panels, new options to make money from home have emerged in unexpected places. So let's check out how to earn free $38+ per click with your phone worldwide. Number 5. Inbox Pays. Inbox Pays is a lesser known survey business that has operated in the online consumer research business since 2009 and has paid out more than $2 million to its users. The market research group is based in Houston, Texas, and is a part of a bigger marketing organization named A&A Marketing, which also owns leading survey sites, notably Panda Research. Inbox Pays, like many other market research groups, connects companies, advertisers, as well as product or service providers with daily consumers in order to gather valuable data and information that can be used to better their products and services. Inbox Pays accomplishes this by providing paid surveys, emails, vouchers, as well as various offers to their customer base. You get compensated for your time and thoughts once you've successfully completed an offer. Inbox Pays functions similarly to other market research groups. The only distinction is that Inbox Pays doesn't employ a rewards program. You receive accurate money amounts for each activity you complete. Other sponsored offers on the site, aside from Inbox Pays surveys, are mainly focused on item and service signups. As a result, expect to get emails, discounts, and offers, including signing up for services or purchasing a product in exchange for cashback. As soon as you meet the minimum conditions, joining Inbox Pays is simple. Number 4. Requirements for Inbox Pays. You must be at least 18 years of age and a legal resident of the United States. Outside of the United States, the site is unavailable. Inbox Pays exclusively pays through PayPal, so make sure your account is validated. To pay out your rewards, you'll need a PayPal account. To sign up for Inbox Pays, go to their website and select the Join Now option. Then, to set up your account, complete a few demographic questions and provide a legitimate email address. Fill in your identity, birth date, gender, mobile number, postcode, and address to complete your profile. Make sure you enter accurate information, as the site will be using your statistics to evaluate which service you're eligible for and which offers you should accept. Inbox Pays gives you a $5 sign-up incentive after you complete your profile. Number 3. Rewarding Ways. Rewarding Ways is a website where you may earn paid-to-answer surveys or complete various offers. They have movies to view and other simple chores to complete to gain points, just like any other GPT site. 99 Venture Ltd, a UK-based company, owns the website. Superpay.me and OfferNation.com are two other websites run by the same organization. This website, which has been up since 2011, has a pleasant design and is simple to navigate. The confirmation of payment is a good feature on this website. The payment proof will be posted each time a person gets paid via the website. On the website, surveys are a terrific way to get money. It usually takes 5 to 30 minutes to finish the surveys. You can get 50 to 200 points on your profile after finishing the survey. You'll be rewarded with points, which you can subsequently exchange for cash like with all other GPT sites. Earning a few points by clicking ads is a fantastic approach to do so. To gain credit on your account, you must solve a CAPTCHA code for each ad you click on. The incentives aren't huge, but if you click on sufficient adverts, you'll start to accumulate points. Normally, the ad must be visible on your screen for 60 seconds before you may earn any credits. There aren't often a lot of adverts in this category to click on. There are offers to complete like any other GPT sites. Some of the deals are free, while others will ask you to finish the offer and earn points by providing your credit card. If you register for a free account trial, you must cancel it before the trial period ends. Otherwise, your payment will be charged by the company. You must generally hold the offer for 30 days before canceling it. Their referral program is a fantastic way for users to introduce their friends and family to the site. For the lifespan of their account, you'll get 25% of whatever your referrals earn. Number 2. iPoll. iPoll began as a survey site known as SurveyHead. The website first went live in 2008, and it has grown in popularity since then. The site was taken over by Survey Sampling International in 2016. It's currently known as iPoll, and individuals can utilize the iPoll app to take mobile surveys. Survey participants in over 30 countries can utilize iPoll. The app keeps track of how much they've given out in real time. According to iPoll, users have earned a total of $24,408,198 in incentives. You'll largely be asked questions regarding the items and services you use as per their website. According to user reviews, surveys are the most common way to earn money with iPoll, while there are other choices as well. Market research is conducted using surveys. This implies that businesses utilize iPoll to get feedback on their products and services. iPoll polls seem to focus on your shopping patterns. They also collect data on people's demographics. Small chores and questionnaires are assigned to you based on your region. Get awards for every iPoll quest you complete, claims the iPoll website. These responsibilities involve things like going to a store, taking pictures, and trying out products. Your phone's GPS location must be enabled. Major businesses, fast food restaurants, and other locations host missions. You'll be able to see missions around you, as well as what stores you'll need to visit and how long they'll take. One of the missions requested the iPoll user to photograph a product display at a big retailer. Because iPoll makes use of your camera, shooting and uploading pictures is straightforward. According to reviews, missions normally pay $5 to $15. Because missions have an expiry date, you must accomplish them within the time limit. The expiration dates appear to range from a few hours to a couple of days. It's clear that iPoll missions pay far more than traditional surveys. If you don't mind a little travel, they appear to be a great way to make money. The main drawback is that missions may be few and far between. Even so, completing one task every month will win you between $5 and $15. Not bad at all if we do say so ourselves. Number 1. What are the payouts for iPoll surveys? This question doesn't have a clear answer. The amount paid for each iPoll survey appears to vary greatly. Of course, the length and complexity of the survey influence your earnings. Overall, it appears that you may expect to earn around $1 for each 15 to 20 minute survey. This equates to $3 to $4 an hour. While this isn't very amazing, it's a standard hourly fee for paid survey sites as well as apps. All these websites are superb at offering good cash to people who have free time, and they've been so good at it. So if you're interested, let us know in the comments down below. And before we head out, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of more money-making content like this going forward. And as always, I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye now!